So good morning, everyone. We are going to learn the dot art, basics of dot art. So basic of dot art, first we need some toothpick, we need some brushes. We will use the back side of brush, different sizes to make different size of dot. Okay, so I have kept 3, 4 sizes here with me. These are the different sizes. If you have dot tools, then it's very good. Nothing like that. They are easily available for the nail art. Now, the first thing comes, what should be the consistency of the paint? Because here most of the people do mistake. If you have tube, then see your paint consistency should be this. It will fall on its own. Not very fast, but little slow. We can do dot work on any surface, it's not a problem. But when we do on plastic and all, then first we have to give the layer of glue plus basic coat, and then we can do. Now, as you all can see, this is just see. It's forming a clear dot. Okay, once if you get the mastery, you can make clear dots with your brush. Making a dot is an art. You can practice on any paper. Okay, so see here, I will show you with other color, and that way I will check the color also, if it is properly or not. See here. If you have tubes, then you have to dilute the color. Okay, that means clear dots are coming. That means it's clear. Consistency of liquid is correct. See. That's very important because most of the time we have either too thick paint or we have too thin paint. So we have to have correct consistency. Once again, I will show you. Okay, see. Proper dots are coming. So if your paint is very thick, just mix some water in it. Or if you have thinner, you can use thinner also and make the consistency correct. Now, next problem comes. Most of us don't have dot tools and we don't know what to do. So, I will tell you how to use the things which are available at home. So, here is our toothpick. Now, oh, yellow and yellow will not go. So, let me take a dark shade. So, let me take maroon color. Okay, I hope you all can see clearly. See, this is a toothpick, and with the toothpick, I'm going to do the dot. You can see, perfect dots will come with toothpick. And little bit if it goes here and there, then you can just manage. Is it visible to everybody, I hope? See. We can do this work with brush also. With brush, if you want to do, you have to have more practice. So I always tell that please practice on old paper, on old newspaper, use any old tray, coasters, these things, and practice. This is acrylic paint. You can make dots with oil paint also. You can make dots with poster color also. Any color, whichever you like. As you all know now, I prefer acrylic because it is waterproof. And if I touch it by mistake, it won't affect me. Since I'm having this sale of paintings for charity, somebody came day before and her hands were wet. I didn't know. She touched one of Madhubani which I made with first batch, and she really spoiled my Madhubani because it was just that time I had only watercolor at home, so I prefer acrylic. So see, this is how we are using the toothpick. Next step, I'm going to tell you another thing. So let me complete this round. See, it is spoiled, so we have to correct it. I'm sure toothpick or jhadu stick every house will have, so you won't have problem. Same size dots, so I'm not changing the toothpick. I'm not changing the tool also. I will use the brush next time. I'll show you how to do with brush. Okay, so this is done. One layer is done. So it's very inexpensive method. You don't have to spend, you don't have to worry, only expenditure of one toothpick. And if you want to save that, you just wash and keep it. Okay, next step, I'm going to tell you how to use the brush. So I've taken a 00 number brush. If you want to make bigger dots, you take a bigger number brush. Okay, here we are going to use dark color on this so that I already made the dots on yellow portion. I'm going to show you here. So let me start from here. I'm just dropping it, okay? I'm not even touching it. It's all practice. More you will practice. You know, dot art was originated by Aboriginals of Australia. They make lovely dot art paintings. And in Singapore also, the original people of Singapore, especially Parankan people, they used to paint the stones of dot art, and that is used as a gift, personal gift to somebody whom you give respect. Once in Bangalore in our school, students came from Singapore, so their teacher and student gave me one stone as a mark of respect. So this in our South India also many of you are expert in columns, and we count the number of dots and we make the column. I'm sure many people are sitting here who are expert in column, 9, 21, like that. The number goes on. And first we have to put the dots and then we have to join it. Now dot art has become very popular and dot mandalas are becoming more and more expensive. Also, somebody sent me a study about dot art that it is helping to concentrate the children. So they have used this art for the treatment of overactive children. You know, some sort of they in that study the technical name was written. What are they called? If any psychiatrist is here, they must be knowing. Hyperactive children, and it is used, this type of art is used to increase their
वन्ना
thought
जी उनको
capacity.
ADHD बोलते हैं,
हाँ,
ADHD बच्चे,
ADHD.
चिल्ड्रन,
हाँ,
ADHD।
तो उनके लिए यूज हो रहा है.
हाँ, उनका जो बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी है उसको कंसंट्रेट करने के लिए इस
हाँ,
टाइप के आर्ट आर्ट
हाँ,
है, मोती पिरोना है, ये सब उनके लिए जो बहुत शांति से हो और इंटरेस्टिंग हो।
हाँ. Yesterday I'm approached by Helen Keller Institute from Bombay, and they want me to teach this kind of work to their deaf and dumb children. So there are lots of uses of art. So now I'm teaching you the third thing. Third thing is just take the back side of your brush and we will make the drop. So we will make sure that consistency is correct. Okay, let me try.
ये साइकोलॉजी में तो पूरा आर्ट थेरेपी चलता है, पूरा सिखाया जाता है।
Yeah, we will discuss after
यस।
this. So it is used in many cases, and we have a psychiatrist sitting with us who is a counselor, professional counselor. So she is from Calcutta, Bharti ji. So that is how you can use the back side of your brush. And not only that, on the top of this yellow, we will put one more color. I hope it is clear. कितने आराम से बन रहे हैं dots. Even if you don't have dotting tools, don't worry. You don't have to go anywhere. It's just simply at home. You can use anything. In fact, chopstick can be used to make the bigger dots. Okay, so this is our third thing. Now, fourth thing I am going to tell you with the front side of the brush. So, okay, let me close this because acrylic paints, they will get dry very fast. Sorry, just give me 1 minute. So we need some dark color again because this is a base color which is very light. So I'm using this. See, for practice, what we do, first we will make a dot on this. If it is coming perfect, then it's okay. Now see, I can see a fiber here. So I have to remove this fiber. So I've used a cloth, but I have to take the paint again. And let me try. I don't know it will come 100% or not. Consistency, please all of you check. Consistency should be like this. Now, here we are going to make one line here. Our brush should be vertical. If you want to see fine dot work, please see the work of Mrs. Purvi Patel on Facebook. Her work is really too good, and her dots are like pearls. Exactly like perfect dots, like pearl. Each and every dot is like a pearl. She's a very young artist, hardly 35, but she's got real mastery. If you all remember, we made one Godna painting with dots. I got the message on Messenger that is selected for virtual magazine. This year everything is virtual by Sydney Art Council, and they wanted my permission for that. And this is the council, they like the dot work. So I didn't know, just casually I made that in one of the class, and I'm happy that it is selected. Now, second layer we are going to do on these big red dots. Anywhere else we can do some colorful work? Yes, this also I have to teach you. Okay, these are very easy. It's not a problem at all. So again, on off-white base, so we will take a dark color. See here, only this much we have taken. Okay, so I really don't know where to use, but let me try. These tools are easily available everywhere. Nail art tools.
Ma'am, what do we call the tool what you're using?
Nail art. Nail art tools. Actually, you can use the back side of your brush.
And dot art tools के नाम से भी मिल रहे हैं.
Maybe.
Yeah, you get that also. Even you get mandala art tool also.
It's okay.
And then yeah,
it's okay. It's okay. Whichever name it is. I bought it from Nail Art too. I bought on Amazon Singapore. Here I am giving little bit dots. You can give second, third layer of dot on the bigger dot. Once if it will dry, it will take some time to dry. They are in different sizes. This is one of the smaller ones, and I have various sizes which I will show you after finishing this. Now I'll show you how to do 2 more layers on this. So our shades used are green and all these, so we will use this. See, this has 2 sides. This is the narrow side. This is the wider side. Here is my box. You can see this size is there. The biggest one I bought is this. Okay, and thin one is this. So I also use screwer for dot art. whichever thing I get which can be used to make a circle, I use. Okay, this is a broken brush. You can see I use this also sometimes. So let me try with this broken brush. Here is our yellow color. Okay, now see. Let's start from one corner. See, so easy it is. Anything what you have at home, you use it. And if you have seen my dot candle holder, I prefer to do 3, 3, 4, 4 coatings. Like I'll prefer to give one more coating on this, on the top of yellow, so that it will give a little 3D impression.
Ma'am, any rule for number of dots or number of lines
No,
of dots?
no rule. Whatever you like. It's not like South Indian column, in which we have to have multiple of 3, 9, 7, 21, 27, like that. It's not. Just whatever shape you want to give, you draw that shape and then you start doing. If you want to make only a dot mandala, then you have to draw lines, cross sections, find the midpoint and start from the midpoint. Okay, that is the way to start dot mandala. Dot mandala will take some other day actually, because right now everybody is in a hurry. So we will just finish the class in another 7 minutes.
Any border, ma'am?
Yeah, that's all your choice, whatever you want to do.
In the border, this dot's not required.
It's all your wish, whatever you want to do. Okay, there's no rule.
Ma'am, if we are doing dot art on glass, do we have to use glue first?
Use the glass paint, please.
Glass paint. Okay, thank you.
Glass paints are available separately in the market, everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, now somebody asked me just now about these triangles. So we can do work on triangles also. I will quickly show you with the dotting tool, the thin one. See, these are the triangles. So here it's up to us. I want to show only one dot. I don't want to make it too congested, because it's red and green and yellow combination. So we are sticking to that combination. There is no rule in dot art.
Ma'am, black color you have not taken. Any specific reason?
No, I don't need to use black color in this painting. Why should I use?
No. I thought black is not allowed.
No, please go through my page and see we have made in all possible colors. Every color. It's not, nothing is not allowed here. Everything is allowed. Your choice.
Thank you, ma'am.
And this is not a dot mandala. This is just a design how to make dots I am showing you. Dot mandala is a totally different thing. Dot mandala, we start with one central dot in the center of the paper or cardboard or canvas, and then we extend the design. Okay, that is called the dot mandala. This is not a dot mandala at all, please. This is just how to make the dots. Just the beginning lesson. Consistency is very important for dots, and then designs. Millions of designs are available, and like you can make your own design, any design you take, and convert it into dot mandala.
Let me just name one artist who is very good on this.
Oh,
Purvi, I think Purvi Patel.
just now I said, no, Purvi's name.
Hanji, Hanji. I was just confirming. I missed out the name.
Yeah, Purvi is very good in this. Purvi is excellent actually in dots. So
Hi, Vandana.
Hi. So this is the way we make the dots. Now I'm going to show you last thing on candle holder. Okay. So this
Ma'am, can you use the ball tool once, please?
I will use 1 minute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now see, this is a candle holder and I want to use
Yes, ma'am. We saw so many beautiful candle holders in your page.
yes. So now please see here. I'm making a candle holder in front of all of you. I'm going to use only these 3 colors. Okay, not many colors. Maximum 4. Okay. So let me start from this one. See here. So first I will complete one pattern. I hope camera is correct. See, 1, 2, like you don't have to count, but just I'm drawing a circle. I took a lid and with the lid of this color bottle, I drew a circle in pencil.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting now, ma'am? Actually, I'm having college classes.
Yes, please, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so our first round is over. Now, this is the miniature form of dot mandala. Second level, little contrast, let me put. I'll hold it. You can do same thing with the back side of the brush. Now see, this one has become very big. I will wait for it to get dry and then put blue color again and then we will do. I can try right now, but I'm scared that color should not much. Anyway, I have to put blue color here. So I have to wait for this to dry and then only I will do. For the time being, I will leave it. So this color line is over. Now third color. Yeah. This kind of designs normally go for dot mandala. Actually, today's class is not planned at all. Yesterday, I had too many requests for dots because many people are willing to paint diyas and other things for Diwali, CDs. So you can practice on bottles, glass bottles, give a coat of Fevicol and base color, and then after that you paint. Okay, and in the center we can give a tick box. But the problem is this is a curved surface, so I have to hold it for some time. Okay, so I hope this class is useful, and any doubts, please send me messages on the group. I will try to clear it. I want to